Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is such an exciting video. This is a fall autumn collab with so many YouTubers, so many niches, just all combined in one. And it's just everything fall, anything that we want, whether it's home, beauty, skincare, everything. So I put on my really cute fall earrings for you guys. Fall is my most favorite season, actually. It's just about that time to wear all those knitted, like cozy sweaters, but you can still get away with like short sleeve vests like these. This is one of my most favorite vests, by the way. I think I got it from Amazon. This collab is hosted by my good friend, Jessica Myrose. She is hosting this fall autumn collab. She is an amazing person. You guys need to check out her channel. She is an all-around channel. She has home, lifestyle, fitness, makeup, skincare, like all the things. She shows you everything that she recommends in her home and wellness journey. So she is such an amazing person and just an overall kind friend here on YouTube. Guys, without further ado, let's talk all about fall. So today, I thought there is nothing else fitting for this collab than this fall in love with nice sweet things Fabfitfun box. So I will be unboxing my fall Fabfitfun box with you guys. I know it's a little beat up. Yeah, I'm really not sure how it got that stain over there. But that's just the outside. Never judge the book by its cover, right? If you are not a Fabfitfun member, this is a lifestyle box. So you get anything and everything in this box, from fitness to kitchen, home decor, lifestyle, skincare, beauty, everything. You can either be a seasonal member or an annual member. And if you decide to enroll as an annual member, which means you pay for all the boxes up front for the year, you get more choices. So you have more control over your box. Now, if you want to try Fabfitfun box just as a trial, I do have a couple of starter boxes that I can share with you guys. So if interested, just comment down below starter box and we will get in touch. Fabfitfun box has 4 seasons: fall, winter, spring, and summer. So we are in the fall season, and inside, usually they have a sponsor for their box. So inside they have Ricola. In here, each side says fall breeze, autumn leaves. And it's just so fitting for this collab. Now, you get up to 6 items. The seasonal membership is around $54. I will have the exact amount here somewhere. But you get up to 6 full-size items, but good quality items. And since you get to pick the items in your box, it's even better. So you get what you want for the most part. If you are a seasonal member, you get to pick 4 items out of the 6, which is not bad at all. But if you are an annual member, you get to pick all 6 to 7 items. Sometimes they have bundles, like they like to change up what you can get every season. They have themes. So it just depends. Let me show you the main 6 items in my box first, okay? So this one is by Sin. Sin Delight in Your Home. So this is an oil cruet, guys. And it is so fancy. This one is now gonna be for display. I am planning to put my olive oils or special oils in here. And yeah, I've never had a cruet before, but I've always thought it's so fancy. This is a pretty expensive cruet. I think it's around $50. Now, if I were to see this somewhere at the store, would I pay $50 for this? Maybe not, but you're definitely getting the brand and quality from Fabfitfun. For customization too, I got KitchenAid. And honestly, I don't make bread, but I do love to make meatloaf once in a while. And also I made a pretty good banana bread. So look at this. It's by KitchenAid, so it's good brand, nice and heavy. But I love the color of this bowl. And I think it's one of the reasons why I ended up getting this for customization too. By the way, so you get to customize. So the first one I showed you guys was from customization 1. They usually give you like maybe 8 to 10 items to choose from, and there's a lot. So there's a lot for everybody. And all the different needs for your household. So yeah, so I decided to get this one. Actually, scratch that. The KitchenAid bowl was my add-on for customization 1. So I was going to show you guys my add-on at the end, but since I've mentioned it, add-ons are basically what it says. You can add more items to your box for a very affordable price. So sometimes the range is $8 to $15 for the item that you want to add on inside each customization. Aside from getting, you know, the first item, which is the cruet, I paid another $15 to get that KitchenAid bowl. So it's not bad because usually the price is like 50 or 70% off discounted from its original price. So you're getting a really good deal. For my real second customization, I actually have on my feet, which is this Muck Lux brand. So I'll just show you guys this. I've owned like UGG slippers before. The difference is that the sole of the slipper is usually very rubbery, has an amazing grip. This one, however, doesn't have the grip. Like I feel like I'm gonna slide off the ground. And just by me wearing it a couple times, I can kind of see a little bit of wear and tear already on the slippers. So I'm kind of disappointed in this, and it's not really as soft. That's just my first impression. So I wasn't super happy with this selection. For customization 3 is one of my most favorite brand of hair care, which is the Vegamore brand. So this is the brand, but I got the dry shampoo. Love this dry shampoo. I put it on the night before. My hair is refreshed. It has volume, and I'm all about it. I wash my hair every other day because it's like good for you. Like you need those essential oils on your scalp. This one gets rid of the dirt and, you know, the excess oils, if that makes sense. So love my dry shampoo. This is like maybe my 3rd bottle already ever since I got into it. Next item is probably my most favorite item in the box. This is the Marlin Schiff ring. The only ring that I pretty much put on my fingers are my wedding rings. But I do love like a good fun ring. It's just something that I would never get for myself. This one came with my box, and it is gorgeous. Customization 5 is the One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. So at the time that I was customizing my Fabfitfun box, I was looking for a moisturizer. So I got one. I'm really not very sure about this brand, but hopefully it's a good one. And the last item in my box is the Aloha Travel Light With Us collection. It is a makeup bag. But I'm kind of curious. This is so wrinkled. Can you guys tell? It says it's splash proof. I think it's just perfect to bring to the beach. Like you could put your essentials in here, like your wallet, your keys, and then just like a one bag that you could just throw around. I love the color, and that's why I got it, but I'm not too sure about the material yet. This one though, the logo itself is super well made. So that is everything in my Fabfitfun box as far as like the base price. So I was able to get the moisturizer, the ring, this is that's on my finger, and then I've got the makeup bag or swim bag. I've got that beautiful cruet. I also got the Vegamore dry shampoo. So all amazing things. If I take a step back, I feel like so I paid $50 for this. Although like moisturizer and skincare is very expensive, and I know this dry shampoo is around like $25 to $30 range. So Now, I want to talk to you guys about my add-ons, which is really what makes the box super exciting. Although, yes, I do have to pay a little bit of money to get these extra stuff, but for the price, the original price, it can't be beat. It's that big of a sale. So, one of my add-ons is this Puma. It's been going around. Everyone has it. But this is like giving fall winter vibes for me as far as the color. But yeah, you can wear it this way. Let's say you're hiking, you could put your water bottle in the back and just your phone right here, easy access. Right there, you could put your phone or your credit cards, like important things. You can carry it this way too, on the side. Or this way. So yeah, it's the Puma brand, amazing quality. Oh, it's just so pretty, and I love the color in general. So you've got one pocket right here in the front. It's like a half zipper, so it doesn't go all around, which is very convenient. Same with the bigger compartment. You have that. It doesn't go all down, so that way when you want to pull something from your bag, it doesn't like fall off. There's also a smaller compartment in here, and it's zipped. That's a nice surprise. So you could put your stuff in there. Loving this bag. My other add-on was the ceramic bowl that was from KitchenAid. There is also an add-on sale. They really get you with the add-ons. I got this bundle, and they are Spongel bundle. My family, well, particularly me and my daughter, but actually even my husband, we love the Spongel scrubs. So they are bath scrubs. They are scented. Oh, this one's so good. Okay, this one is coconut, orange, flower, and balsam. Yeah, it says love notes in Spongel. So you got this one to hang in your shower. Yeah, you just scrub away instead of using soap. So love that. And the reason why I get this is I get it for gifting. It's not just for me. Like usually at least one of these, aside from keeping it for my family, I give it as a gift to people. Because normally, guys, one Spongel is around $17. This one, all four of them I got for $17. So it was just quite a steal. And when someone gets this kind of gift, it's like they'll always appreciate it. It's just a no-brainer. Like, yeah, it's a bath thing. Anyone can use it. Oh, there's a theme. Love and notes. And this one is soulful lyrics. I love this blue one. The notes are ozone, okay, peony, and sandalwood. Oh my gosh, it smells good too. And this one is primal motif, which is spicy, it looks like. You can get up to 14 washes if you use this every day. Ooh, this one it has a lighter scent to it, but I am loving it. And I love that it's yellow. I've never had a yellow Spongel before. Sometimes I feel like the add-ons make it. The Spongel hand cream. This is one of my all-time favorite hand creams. And the coconut verbena one is a good one. Let me try to remember the scent. Yeah, it's really good. It's really not a strong scent at all. But I love this because it just absorbs into the skin, into the hands nicely. And when I use it, I don't feel like I need to moisturize as much, especially throughout the winter time. So I always get myself something moisturizing, hand lotions during the fall Fabfitfun box. And then I got this one because I was thinking of gifting it. It was like $5, I think. Somewhere around there. I was thinking, you know, Fanny Packs are all in the rage right now, and I was thinking of gifting it to somebody. But my daughter decided she wanted it. She wanted a Fanny Pack, and she really doesn't have one yet. She called dibs on this, so I'm gonna have to give it to her. And I think it looks really nice with all her outfits. So you have an outside compartment. Oh no, that's like pretty much the main compartment. But what I love about this is it's so spacious, super spacious. Some fanny packs are kind of small. And this one is just, it has that very, you know, soft material, good quality. Never heard of Gayam brand before. Altitude waist pack. The last item, I was thinking of getting it for my son. This is a superfood jelly exfoliant. We use exfoliators here around the house, especially for acne prone skin. It's amazing. It needs to be part of your skincare once or twice a week. It's very effective at just kind of getting the redness out, getting all of the excess oils out of your face, and just helps with refining your face. So black currant is an antioxidant, but Elemis is an amazing brand, so I can't wait to give this to my son. But now that it's pink, I feel like I want to use it myself. So that is everything, guys. What do you think of my Fabfitfun box? Not bad, right? When I isolated just the items from my Fabfitfun and it was like for 50 bucks, I was kind of like, oh, so on average I kind of paid 10 bucks per item. And then you got 6 items. By the way, I wanted to show you that sometimes Fabfitfun throws in a freebie, and this is the Dove oat milk and berry brulee bar of soap. I'm gonna have to try this. It smells pretty good. It has definitely kind of like a sweeter scent, berry scent. It says made with good stuff, no sulfates, pH balance, 100% gentle cleanser, skin natural ingredients, and it's biodegradable. I never knew Dove had something like this. So that's a plus from Fabfitfun. That is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the other videos, the fall, autumn videos in my playlist down in the description box below. And also check out Jessica Myrose, our host. She has a wonderful channel and I can't wait what she is doing for fall. So with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.